Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix transaction error in Trust Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix transaction error in Trust Wallet, what you can do is first head over and open up the App Store, then on the search bar type in Trust Wallet, and then once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app is updated or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back, open up your settings, then inside settings, scroll down and tap on general. Inside general, select iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll all the way down and find the Trust Wallet app, and then simply tap on it. Let me assume this photo room is the Trust Wallet app, and there you'll find two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply select upload app, and what this does, it decreases the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process has been completed, your problem will be fixed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.